Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a 2004 Lexus LS430 V6. It's a gorgeous green color. This thing is like almost in the wrapper. The paint looks amazing. Remember, this is a 2004. Obviously a garage kept vehicle. Wheels are great. Tires are basically brand new. Can't go wrong with this. A lot of life left in it. 50,660 original miles on this vehicle. Look at that interior. Super clean. Moonroof. All the luxury that you get with Lexus. Memory seating. Gorgeous wood interior. Drink holders. Air conditioned and heated seats. There's the miles right there. Give us a call at Buy Your Ride. 805-507-2244. That's 805-507-2244.